Hello everyone. In this video, I will be covering question 1 and 2 of exercise 1.3 in the chapter arithmetic progression. So question 1.2 uses SN formula and also TN formula. So practice it very well and watch this video till the end. Let us start the session. In exercise 1.3, in the first main, we need to find the sum of the following AP. So sum means we need to use SN formula. If they are asking term weights, we need to use TN formula. Okay, here they have asked to find out the sum, so we need to find SN formula. Okay, here the question is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So up to 10 terms means up to 10 terms. So 10 terms means this is not TN, this will be N. If they have given just plainly 10, then it will be TN. Okay, if in any question if they have asked like up to 10 terms, then that last 10 or any other numerals or numbers will become N. It will not be TN. Okay, so this will be T1, T2, T3 and this will be N. Okay, so here A is equal to T1, that is 2, and D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Next N is equal to 10. Okay, so here we need to find SN. SN we need to find out. So SN formula is SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is SN formula. Now we need to substitute the value of each and every variable here. Okay, so SN, N is 10 here, so 10 is equal to 10 by 2, that is N by 2. Instead of N by 2 we need to write 10 by 2, 2A, that is 2 into A is 2 plus N minus 1, N is 10 here, so 10 minus 1 into D, D is 5. Okay, next here 2 ones are 2 5s are. So S10, okay, S10 is equal to 5 into, here 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5. So S10 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So S10 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45 is 49. Then we need to multiply 49 into 5. So 5 9s are 45. Here will be 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 is 24, that is 245. So S10 is equal to 245. So this is the sum of 10 terms. This is the sum of 10 terms. So moving on to the second problem. The second problem is minus 37. This will be T1. This is T2, T3 up to N terms. Okay, up to N terms. So here A is equal to T1, that is equal to minus 37. Next D is equal to T2 minus T1. Here T2 is minus 33. In the formula there is a minus sign. Next T1 is also minus, so we need to put a bracket here. Minus 37 is equal to minus 33, minus into minus plus 37. So 37 minus 33 is 4. So this is common difference D. Next N is equal to 12 terms. We need to find out SN or S12. Okay, first we need to apply SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we need to find out S12. S12 is equal to 12 by 2, 2 into A is minus 37 plus N is 12 minus 1 into D is 4. Okay, Here 12 ones are 12, 6 are. So S12 is equal to 6 into 2 into minus 37. So 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 threes are 6 and 7. Here it is minus, so you have to retain that minus sign. Plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. So next S12 is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 11 fours are 44. Okay, so S12 is equal to 6 into minus into plus is minus, we need to subtract it, so it will become 74 minus 44 is minus 30. Now we need to multiply it. So S12 is equal to 6 threes are 18. So 6 into 30 is 180. Since there is a minus sign, you need to retain that minus sign here. So the answer for sum of 12 terms in the given AP is minus 180. Hope you understood this. This is the easiest problem where in each and every board paper there will be one sum pertaining to this SN formula. Okay. Moving on to the third question of exercise 1.3. Here this is T1, T2, T3 up to n terms. So here the first term A is equal to T1, that is equal to 0.6. Next common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, it will be 1.1. So this is the common difference. Next it is n is equal to 100 terms. Okay, we need to find out Sn, that is n is 100, therefore we need to find S100. Okay, sum of the 100 term. So first apply the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 100, therefore S100 is equal to 100 by 2, 2 into a is 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. So is equal to, so 2 ones are 2, 50s are 100, therefore it will become 50 into 2 into 0.6. You can multiply here, 0.6 into 2, that is 2 6 are 12. Here 1 goes in a carry, 2 into 0 is 0, so this 1 just retain here. After one digit there is a point, so you can put a point here, that is 1.2. 0.6 into 2 is 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. So next we need to multiply this 99 into 1.1. Okay, so 99 into 1.1. So you don't bother about the point until you get the answer. Okay, you just multiply it with 1. 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9. Again 9. So here 9, 9 plus 9 is 18 and 10. After one digit there is a point, so you put a point here. Okay, 108.9. So the next step we need to write 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. Okay, so next we need to add 1.2 plus 108.9, that is 108.9 plus 1.2. Okay, 9, 10, 11. So after one digit there is a point, so it is 110.1. So 110.1. Okay, so now we need to multiply 50 into 110.9, 110.1. Okay, 110.1 into 50. So first here 0, so retain 4 zeros. Next 5 ones are 5, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Okay, so here 0, 5, 0, 5 and 5. So after one digit there is a point. So after one digit you put a point here. So answer is, for sum of 100 terms, the answer is 5505. So this is the answer for S100. So moving on to the next question. So here they have given the question in fraction form. So here 1 by 15 is T1, 1 by 12 is T2, 1 by 10 is T3, up to n terms. Okay, so first term A is equal to T1 is equal to 1 by 15. Next common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So that will be T2 is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Here the denominator is 12 and 15. First we need to find out the LCM of 12 and 15. Okay. So first I will find out the LCM of 12 and 15. So I will take 3 here. So 3 4s are and 3 5s are. Next 2 2s are and 5. 5 is not divisible, so you just written 5 here. Next do the multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay. So the LCM is 60. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So what happens here, the denominator, that is the LCM is 60. Now what you have to do is 12 5s are 60, 5 into 1 is 5, 15 4s are 60, so 4 into 1 is 4, so retain the minus here. So we will get common difference as 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60. So this is the common difference. So common difference is 1 by 60. Next we have n. N is equal to 11. Okay. So first term A is 1 by 15. Common difference is D is 1 by 60 and n is 11. So directly apply Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here we need to apply S11. N is 11 here. So 11 by 2, 2 into, so 1 by 15. A is 1 by 15 plus n is 11. 11 minus 1 into D is 1 by 60. Okay. So since it is not divisible, we can write as it is 11 by 2. Here instead of 2 into 1 by 15, you can write 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60. Here 0 0 get cancels. So remaining is 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Okay. So this is the term remaining, 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Here next we need to find out the LCM of 15 and 6. Okay. LCM of 15 and 6. Again I will take 3 here. Since both the numbers are divisible by 3, I am taking 3. So 3 5s are, 3 2s are. So 3 5s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. Okay. LCM is 30. So 11 by 2 into, write LCM as 30. Next check the denominator. 15 2s are 30. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 6 5s are 30. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Next 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 by 30. Here you can divide these two numbers with the same 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 10s are 30. So the remaining is 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Okay. So the answer for sum of 11 terms is 11 3s are 33 divided by 2 10s are 20. Okay. The sum of 11 terms is given by 33 by 20. So this is the way to do the problem. Okay. Hope you understood this. So this is the second exercise of 1.3. Here we need to find out the sum of the given sequence. So the difference between the first main and the second main is, in the first main what they have given a sequence up to some n terms. So if they are given like that, the last number will be n, the number of terms. But in this question they have given T1, T2, T3 up to plus 84. So this is not n, this will be Tn. Here n is not given. So in this case, first we need to apply Tn formula to find out n. Later on we need to apply the Sn formula to find the sum of the n terms. Okay. First write the data, that is A first term is equal to 7. Common difference is equal to previous term plus first term, that is 10 and half. T2 is 10 and half minus 7. First we need to convert improper fraction, that is the mixed fraction, into proper fraction. 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 2 minus 7. So here the LCM is 2. When LCM and denominator are same, the numerator will return as it is. Next 1 2s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So the common difference is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is the common difference. And Tn is given here. Tn is equal to 84. Okay. First we need to find out n. Here we need to find out n, and also we need to find out Sn. Okay. So first we need to apply Tn formula. Tn formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn is 84 is equal to A is 7 plus n we need to find out into D is 7 by 2. Okay. First I will shift this 7 to left hand side. 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 is 77. 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So when I shift this n by 2 to left hand side, it will become divided by. Okay. So 77 divided by 7 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. So now when I want to shift it this side, so the divided by, I have to take the reciprocal of this divided by equation. Okay. It will become 77 into 2 by 7 when I take the reciprocal of it. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 11s are. So 11 into 2 is 22. 22 is equal to n minus 1. So shift the minus 1 to left hand side. So 22 plus 1 is equal to n. So the number of terms n is equal to 23. So we got the value for n. Now we need to find out the value for Sn, that is S23. So apply Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we need to find out S23. So 23 by 2 into 2 into a is 7 plus n is 23 minus 1 and d is 7 by 2. Okay. So here 23 is not divisible by 2. So we need to keep it as it is. Next 2 7s are 14 plus 23 minus 1 is 22 into 7 by 2. Okay. Here 2 1s are 2 11s are. So next 23 by 2 into 14 plus, here we can see 11 into 7 is there. 11 into 7 is 77. Here 23 divided by 2 into, so 77 plus 14 will be 91. So next we need to multiply 91 into 23. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 3, 9 and 10, 1 carry 2. So it is 2093. So 2093 divided by 2. We can keep the answer like this itself, or else we can divide it. 2093. So 2 1s are 2. So here a 0 is there. In order to take it down, we need to put a 0 here. Next is 9. So 2 4s are 8. 1 3. So 2 6 are. So 2 6 are 12. Remaining is 1. You put a point here. Then it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. The answer is 1046.5. So the value for S23, the sum of 23 terms is 1046.5, or you can write it as 1046 and half. Okay. This is the answer for first question, that is the finding the sum. First we need to find out n by using Tn formula. Later on we need to put Sn formula to find the sum. Moving on to the second question. So here the sequence given is 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. Here this is T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. So the first term A is equal to T1, that is 34. So next common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So that is 32 minus 34. That will be equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the common difference. Next Tn is equal to 10. So we need to find out n and also Sn. Okay. So first we need to apply Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is 10 here. 10 is equal to A is 34 plus n we need to find out, and D is minus 2. Okay. So first I will be shifting this 34 to left hand side. So 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So 34 minus 10 is 24. Larger number is 34. So we need to retain that minus sign, is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. In the next step we need to take this minus 2 to divide by form. So it will become minus 24 divided by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. So here minus minus get cancels, and 2 1s are and 2 12s are. So it will be 12 is equal to n minus 1. So next, in the next step, shift minus 1 to left hand side. So it will become 12 plus 1 is equal to n. So the number of terms n is equal to 13. Okay. So 13 is the number of terms. Next we need to find out Sn by applying Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here n is equal to 13. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2, 2 into A is 34 plus n is 13 minus 1 into D is minus 2. Okay. So if it is not divisible by 2, then we have to write it as it is. So 34 into 2 is 68. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Next 13 minus 1 is 12 into minus 2. Okay. Next 13 by 2, 68 plus, so plus into minus, it will be minus 12 2s are 24. Next 13 by 2 into, we need to subtract 68 minus 24. It will be 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 44. So next we need to divide this. 2 1s are 2, 20 2s are. So this will be 13 into 22. Okay. We need to multiply. So 22 into 13. So 13 2s are 26. 2 carry. 13 2s are 26, 27 and 28. Okay. So the answer is 286. So the sum of 13 terms is given by 286. So this is the value for this sequence. Moving on to the last question of this session. The third sequence is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 up to minus 230. So this will be T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. Okay, the first term is A is equal to T1, that is minus 5, and common difference is T2 minus T1. So T2 is minus 8. Since it has minus, we have to put a bracket here, that is minus 5. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. So the common difference is minus 3. Okay, next Tn is minus 230. Here we need to find out n and also Sn. First we need to apply Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn is minus 230 is equal to A is minus 5 plus n we need to find out, and D is minus 3. Okay, first I will shift this minus 5 to left hand side. So it will become minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So in the next step we need to take it into divide by form. So minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Okay, so here minus and minus get cancels each other. So here we need to divide 225 by 3. So 3 sevens are 21. So 15 remaining. Next, so 1 remaining, then we need to take 5 here. So 3 5s are 15. So the quotient is 75. So 3 1s are 3 75s are. Okay, so 75 is equal to n minus 1. So 75 plus 1 is equal to n. So the number of terms is 76. Okay, the number of terms is 76. Next we need to find out Sn, that is S76, by applying Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here Sn is S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into a is minus 5 plus n is 76 minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay, since 76 divides by 2, we can divide it here itself. So 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, so 2 8s are 16. Okay, so S76 is equal to 38 into 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 plus 76 minus 1 is 75 into minus 3. Okay, so 38 into minus 10 plus into minus is minus. Here we need to multiply 75 into 3. Okay, 75 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 22. So 225. So next 38 into minus into minus is plus, so we need to add it. 225 plus 10 is 235. The larger number sign is minus, so we need to retain that minus symbol here. Next we need to multiply 38 into 235. Okay, so 235 into 38. So 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 is 28, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. Okay, next 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so 0, 3, 1 carry, 9 and 8. This is 8930. So S76 is 8930. Don't forget to write this minus symbol. We need to retain that minus symbol here. So the answer for sum of 76 terms is minus 8930. So this is the last problem of this session. Hope you understood how to use the formula for Sn and Tn and to find out. So these problems are compulsory problem. They will appear in your board exam for 2 or 3 marks. Okay. Thank you.